Welcome to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to what I believe are the top 5 yin yoga poses to do before bed. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into our first pose, which is an extended child's pose. So to do this, let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And then from here, start to walk your hands along in front of you, letting the forehead rest in the mat. In this pose, we're really breathing into the back body as well as the shoulders and the hips. And if you know me, you know I love to practice yin yoga, and whenever I practice yin yoga, I really like to implement a 6 and 6 breath. So that means inhaling for 6 seconds and exhaling for 6 seconds. So feel free to practice that or just breathe however you like. We'll be here for a couple minutes. And on your next exhale, very mindfully release. From here, we'll make our way onto our bums. And once we get here, let's extend the legs along in front of us. Keeping the legs together and keeping the feet flexed towards us, we'll come into our second yoga pose, which is a seated forward fold. So from here on your next inhale, lift the hands up. Exhale, forward fold, grabbing onto the toes or the feet if you can. If you can't, that's okay. You can just let your hands rest where they naturally fall. And in this pose, we're really breathing into the back of the legs. And on your next exhale, mindfully release, roll it back up. From here, we'll come into our third yoga pose, which is a waterfall pose, otherwise known as legs up the wall pose. So if you don't have a block, essentially you just want to find the nearest wall, and I'll just demonstrate here. So bring your butt up right up against the wall and bring your legs straight up. So this is a beautiful inversion. We're letting the blood flow in the opposite direction. Or if you have a block, essentially it's the same thing. So we're placing the block right underneath our tailbone, our sacrum, and again we're bringing the legs straight up towards the sky, keeping the feet flexed towards you once again. Hands can just rest by your sides. I encourage you to close your eyes here as well. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. If you're at the wall, come back to your mat. And if you're on the block, just set it aside. We'll make our way into yoga pose number 4, which is a reclined butterfly pose. So staying on your back, essentially we're just bringing the soles of the feet together, letting the knees open up wide, letting the hips open up naturally. One of my favorite hip openers here. And again, we can let our hands rest by our sides, or we can also have one hand on our belly, the other one on our hearts, feeling our breath. Again, I encourage you to close your eyes here. And on your next exhale, let's make our way into our final fifth pose, which is a Shavasana. So extending the legs out long, extending the arms out long, really taking up some space, keeping the eyes closed. So I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like. If you just want to go to bed right here, by all means, or if you're ready to go, we can rock up coming into a seated position of your choice. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely feeling zenned out after that. Wherever you are, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. Hope you all have beautiful sleeps. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.